Switching now to our WDSU first warning weather. It's a weather alert day tomorrow. The threat for severe storms that contain the risk for tornadoes. And some of the latest data show it might be all of southeast Louisiana that's in this threat. But we still see the North Shore and even areas farther north from here under the greatest risk. It was a warm day today, though. Let's start the here and now. It was nearly 80 in many cases. Lakefront hit it after yesterday being the coolest spot. What a difference the wind will do this time of the year. 82 Bogalusa, and we were 79 officially here in New Orleans. Where we stand, it is still mild outside. 60s for everybody and still 70 at Lakefront, Grand Isle. You're joining along there at 70 as well. So let's see the bigger picture for us. Where's this storm coming from? It's over the Central Plains right now. Earlier today, we had severe thunderstorm watches, not necessarily the greatest tornado threat, but tomorrow we're going to see a situation where this system starts to develop. We get the warm front to move through. We got some strong south winds. Humidity really picks up. We're warm. And those are all the ingredients for strong, potentially severe storms, especially ahead of the front before it roars through. Maybe the best news after we get through for Friday, the weekend's looking dry. It's a little cloudy. It's a little cooler. It's not downright cold. Let's go right into the forecast tomorrow. And the timing of this shows that we've got at least a couple of showers possible when we're getting up, but that's not going to be severe whatsoever. And it's a mild start to it. Coolest spot to 59 Bogalusa, 65 right here in New Orleans. So here is some of the latest data to show scattered shower potential here, but again, nothing severe. The chance that storms start to pop, and I brought this up an hour to about 10 a.m. in the morning hours. But the chance these become strong to potentially severe after the noon hour. And look at this particular storm, really showing up hefty. This goes to show me that maybe we're pushing that severe threat a little farther south. But we see a number of isolated storms all the way through southeast Louisiana, especially in the North Shore. That's by 2. But the thing is, once we get to 6, this is all over and said and done, and the final front through in the late night hours. And that's the last of the rain we'll see going in through this particular event. So what are we discussing in the way of severe storms? I know it's tornadoes that grab the greatest attention. And right now, it's the North Shore who's under that greatest risk. A 5% chance, you think that's not a great chance, something to cause you great harm. It's a pretty significant chance. And even the 2% risk for the South Shore needs to be looked at closely. The overall threat for severe storms, levels 1 and 2 out of 5 different categories, marginal and slight. But I still see that it's the corridor through East Texas, North Louisiana, Mississippi. That's the greater risk for overall severe storms and spin and tornadoes. I feel that that area could upgrade to maybe an enhanced risk tomorrow, a level 3. We'll watch, and even to see adjustments made tonight for us. So that is the main threat, and we will keep you safe. We'll be here. Chief Meteorologist Margaret Orr, Art Jarrett, myself. We could see some significant rain if you get at least a strong storm roar over the same place. So there is a locally heavy rain risk, but to me, it's the threat from strong winds that still tops our list and the tornado risk that's there. That's why it's a WDSU first warning weather alert day. Flooding, rain, and maybe hail stay bottoms on my list. So the big takeaways from this, the timing, starting the storms to develop after 10. We could see storms going with that final front through the late night. Not as severe, but all of southeast Louisiana is at risk, and the greatest tornado threat, noon till 6. And right now that still stands over the North Shore. Okay, one reason why we're also going to add into the severe storm threat is we start off mild into the 60s as we showed, and we end up near 80 before the storms arrive. And the humidity is really high too. But it all changes when we get into Saturday. Cloudy skies are here, and you look at highs that say 60s, but the thing is, that's just after midnight. Most of the daytime temps will start to bring us into the 60s. So that's the forecast you'll feel for most of the day, even though officially it's 73. WDSU first warning weather 7-day forecast, weather alert day, strong potentially severe storms, the tornado risk, 10 a.m. the chance they develop, noon to 6 the biggest risk for severe storms and the tornado threat.